Amazon Photos folders. So if you want to know about the Amazon Photos folders, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So to get organized with your Amazon Photos albums, first click on the Albums option in Your Photos column, then Create Album in the upper right hand corner. If you prefer, you can create albums from Amazon Drive by clicking the three dots next to Create Album About. And the second step is select the individual photos that you have or that you want to place in your new album. You can upload all photos taken on a given day by checking the circle in front of the date. Once you've designated which photos you want to go to your new album, click on Create Album and then Add. Title your album, then Save Album. And once you got the albums, you're ready to enjoy the photos, listen them in lots of different ways. View them across Amazon devices like Echo Show, Free TV, share them with your friends and family, order custom prints and photo books, and even create photo slideshows right from the Amazon Photos app. So these were the steps of Amazon Photos folders, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.